Hey guys, it's me and Jaden. We came to get Jackson, go to his house, play some trampoline football, but he's not here. He'll be here in about 10 minutes. We're just gonna go bird watching in his backyard. Come on.
What a nice day to go bird watching.
I know, isn't it?
Now just look at them birds. Just beautiful. Wow.
I love the fall.
Best time of the year to bird watch, like they always say. You hear that?
What is that?
What the heck is that? Is that some type of bird?
Let's check it out.
Let's go see this, man.
What is that thing?
Man, what is that? What the? Oh my God!
Dinosaur!
Oh my God! Brad! Your shoelace!
Save yourself!
Brad!
What?
Your shoelace!
What?
Your shoelace! Oh my God! Someone help, please!